Instructions for installation of Amphenol Network Solutions Fiber Raceway. Before installation, mark where couplers and end caps will be installed. If installing onto foam, cut out the foam to fit the WaveTrax couplers and any end caps you will be using. 24-inch WaveTrax trough uses a 3-piece design. During shipping, although rare, the 3 pieces can become unaligned. Before the install, do a visual inspection of the trough piece. If the pieces are unaligned, use a rubber mallet to align the pieces. WaveTrax uses a single notching tool that is used to prepare trough pieces for installation. 24-inch WaveTrax comes pre-notched at the ends. However, if the end piece is cut, then the cut end will require notching to be securely installed. For 24-inch trough, make sure to set the notching tool to the 24-inch setting. 24-inch trough has 5 spots where the notching is required, marked with small channels running parallel to the trough. Use the notching tool in these channels to prepare the trough. The bottom dark part of the tool is inserted into the trough, with a silver handle facing outward. The WaveTrax 12-inch competitive adapter is meant to be used with the CommScope 12-inch fiber guide. The coupler is a 2-piece design which can be taken apart to make installation easier. To take the piece apart, squeeze the 2 pairs of tabs on the bottom to release the top from the bottom. When installing onto CommScope fiber guide, use the bottom piece to align with the T-bolt slots on the fiber guide. Then squeeze the fiber guide to align with the coupler. You can set the WaveTrax part into the other half of the coupler and snap the top coupler piece on the top of both the WaveTrax and fiber guide to lock them in. The WaveTrax 24-inch coupler is a 2-piece design. 2 pairs of tabs on the bottom of the part can be squeezed to release the top from the bottom. The coupler comes with 8 locks on the piece, 6 on the bottom and 1 on either side. These must be in the unlocked position to install the WaveTrax. Used in a 2-piece design, the coupler's bottom piece can be placed under 2 aligned WaveTrax parts. Once aligned, the top piece can be snapped into place and all locks can be then closed. The 24-inch coupler can also be used for single-piece installation. With all locks in the unlocked position, slide the coupler onto the trough piece until the WaveTrax is fully seated in the coupler. Once pieces are installed on both sides of the coupler can be locked into place. If you have any trouble installing the coupler, recheck to ensure all locks start in the unlocked position and make sure both pieces are fully notched. If you have any trouble installing the coupler, recheck to ensure all lock starts in the unlocked position and make sure both pieces are fully notched. The 24-inch end cap can be installed onto any 24-inch trough piece or intersection that is notched. Simply slide the end cap onto the end of the trough and snap into place. To adapt to 24-inch CommScope fiber guide, a 24-inch adapter is required. Place the adapter into the CommScope junction, aligning the T-bolt slots on both pieces. The other side of the adapter snaps directly into a 24-inch coupler, which can then be installed onto WaveTrax trough. Once all is installed, the coupler can be locked into place. The 24-inch adjustable bracket can be used to secure a trough to parallel unistrut. The bracket is adjustable both up and down and in and out. Start by securing the channel nut into the unistrut. Align the piece with the side of the WaveTrax. The J-hook on top of the bracket will grab onto the trough. Align the piece with the side of the WaveTrax. The J-hook on top of the bracket will grab onto the trough. Secure the bolts using a 7/16 socket and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the installed screw and lock the bracket into place. The 12-inch express off-ramp comes with 2 installation brackets along with the J-hook adjustment plate. Place the adjustment plate bolt into the slot on the bracket with the bolt facing away from the yellow L piece. Then lock the bracket into place by lightly securing the knob to the adjustment plate bolt. When installing the brackets onto the trough, place the long flat piece between the foam and the trough. Lightly loosen the knob on the bracket, then slide the bracket to sit flush against the side wall of the trough. The slot attachment piece should be secure in the slot on the bottom of the trough. Flip the off-ramp piece cover and line up the 2 brackets with the fastening positions on the bottom of the off-ramp. Note that the typical install uses the 2 outer positions. However, 2 left positions or 2 right positions can be used if installing the off-ramp over a coupler. Once the off-ramp is in place, use the 4 included Phillips head screws to lock the off-ramp in its location.